Hi everybody, it's Carol at O'Brien Custom Turning. I got some new blanks in today and I'm going to show you what can sometimes happen that makes things a little bit surprising in the turning process. So these are the ones that just came in and they are supposed to be the exact same blanks, but what I want you to see on this one is notice, first off, see this length, how they are not quite the same length. And then also notice here on the end, how they are not even near the same size dimensions on them. Then we have this set. Again, it's the same thing, that the lengths aren't the same, but our biggest discrepancy is on these end pieces. This one to me is almost a laughable situation because notice the difference in the patterning. From this one, the material isn't even all the way through the blank. On these two, compared to this one, it's better, but it's still the materials inside don't go all the way through. They at least, the three are mostly consistent in the length. They are definitely not consistent on the size. However, check this one out. This one is also the exact same type of blank. You can see the shredded money and the gold in it. And notice the discrepancy in the length and then also in the size. Now, these blanks are publicized by the vendor that it is a 3/4 inch blank by 5 inches. So this blank is actually what I was expecting to get. So if you ordered this blank from me and asked me to turn it, I would expect that you were going to get a 5-inch blank and that it would be this one. I would be a little bit disappointed if I got this blank for you, because you'd be expecting some gold leaf in it and see how there's just not very much in there. Compared to these others, do have the nice pieces of gold, but yet notice it's not 3/4 of an inch. So if I was to use this blank for you, I could cut it off to make it the 5-inch length, but suppose you told me you wanted your blank to be a thick pen. This one, since it starts out smaller than that, there's no way I could make it a thick pen. So I'd have to make the decision on using this blank or even ordering a completely separate one from our vendor. And that means these I can't even use for the purposes they were intended. Again, it's not a big issue. We go through hundreds of blanks a month. And when things like this happen, we just move them to our mystery stack and then use them as mystery pens, or they can be giveaways potentially, or they even make great drop pens when somebody can pick the specific blank. But for a situation where every one of these blanks, all side by side, are all supposed to be 5-inch long blanks and 3/4 inch diameters, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an idea of how sometimes the blanks we get in from our vendors can cause a little bit of a discrepancy and make a difference in the pen that we can actually turn for you. If you have any questions on that, of course, go ahead and ask them in the comments and we'll answer them to the best of our abilities. And have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you the next time. Bye.